Everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. You probably noticed my face is missing a little bit of makeup, so this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna create a makeup look using one palette for a change. So today I thought I'm gonna go with Makeup Revolution Flawless Full Palette to create a makeup look. So without any further ado, I think we shall start. By the way, today I woke up with a friend on my face, so just ignore that. My face been like really misbehaving today, so just gonna ignore that. Alright, let's do the eye makeup first and then we're gonna move on with the face and all. So first of all, I'm gonna prime my eyes. You can use the eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna use the concealer and define by Makeup Revolution for that. By the way, I had the lash extensions done, as you can see, for my birthday. I spent my birthday in Barcelona. If you haven't seen, the vlog is here. You guys can check it out. So I'm just gonna set this quickly with a setting powder by Revolution Pro. By the way, if you're wondering about my eyebrows, for my eyebrows I use actually Revolution Pro Cushion Brow Definer eyebrow cushion thing. I did a review and tutorial on this. It's on my channel if you guys haven't seen. It honestly surprised me in a good way. I wasn't expecting that, so this is what I use today on my brows. So today's makeup, I really want to do kind of like a pinkish warm colors cut crease look. So I think I'm gonna start with this color in here. Is my transition color, and then we're gonna move to more pinkish colors. So I'm taking a Real Technique shading brush and just gonna go higher than my natural creases. I'm dragging color slightly bit out. I'm gonna tidy up that part later. So I'm using the same brush that I just used and going with slightly bit darker pinkish color in basically the same place, as I just want to build up the color a little bit more. And then I'm jumping to even darker pinkish color, this one in here. I'm gonna go slightly bit closer to where my crease is, but still slightly bit higher, so when my eyes are open you can actually see it. And I'm using the same brush once again. So what I'm doing next, I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just gonna blend the colors so there's no harsh line. The next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna take a small dense brush like this. This one is Real Techniques pointed liner brush and a little bit of concealer, and gonna clean up this part in here, our cut crease part. So the aim is to clean up slightly bit higher than the creases so we see the color. And I'm gonna set it once again with the setting powder. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this super light-ish kind of a pinkish undertone color and I'm gonna go all over my mobile lid. So for that I'm taking the fluffier brush. So I really want to do some wings because I think the winged liner would look nice in here, but we're not going to use the actual eyeliner, we're going to use the palette. So I'm going to take this nice shimmery purplish color. I'm just going to take the liner brush, the small dense brush, and I'm going to spray it with a setting spray. So I'm just going to use a NYX matte finish spray to get it wet and to use it on the actual eyeshadow. So just taking the brush, spray it out. And I'm going with this shimmery purple color. So I'm kind of making the ends meet where we did this cut crease part. Do you know what? So the actual cut crease part, I want to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go with the same color that I used that before to do that. And I'm taking the Zoeva Spot Liner brush and I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna go exactly on that line without blending it. So I'm dragging into the inner eye corner, and then I'm dragging it out to the outer eye corner as well. So we're meeting that wing that we just did. So I'm just slightly blending this out now, just on the top line, not blending anything down. Alright, I think we should move on with the face, and when we're gonna do the lower lash line, if you, like me, don't have a lash extensions at the moment, I would recommend to go with mascara now or with false lashes. It's totally up to you, whatever you prefer, but because I have lash extensions, I don't need anything like this, so let's do face. So to set this up, I'm gonna use the NYX Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder, HD Finishing Powder. And I'm just gonna use my wet beauty blender. So we're gonna leave a foundation to set in, and then we're gonna go in and bronze the face and all, because obviously now it looks far too white. But while the foundation is setting, let's do the lower lash line. So I think for the lower lash line, we should carry on with a pink color and go in with this one all over the lower lash line. And I'm taking the same brush that I used before, the wet one, just gonna spray it again. And I'm gonna take this color in here and gonna go on my waterline. Then I'm taking a small dense brush and this shimmery color in here, and I'm just gonna brighten my inner eye corners. So for the mascara, I'm gonna go with Tarte's Lifted Mascara for lower lash line, obviously because I have extensions at the moment. Alright, let's bronze the face because now it looks far too white. So for that, I'm gonna use a Naked Flush Native palette, and I'm just gonna use the bronzer and the blush for it. So the lights in the room makes my face look way much lighter on the camera than it's in reality because of the lights reflecting. So no, I don't look like a ghost because when I see on the camera I look way much lighter. So just to let you know, in a real life it looks okay. So for lips, I'm gonna go with the NYX Powder Puff Lip in Moody. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. I really hope you found this helpful. If you're gonna recreate this look, please tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see those. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I really do appreciate if you're gonna press the button to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna see you soon in my next video, so bye!